Hello friends, hope you are doing fine. Today we'll chat on a very interesting invention that has popped up in our surroundings and the related dynamics associated with. Fascinating, intriguing. First, let me ask you a question. Is the interaction between us, the human beings, and robots inching closer and closer? Friends, it seems yes. How? Recently, Japanese scientists have been able to graft human skin on a robot's finger, so that this robotic finger has started behaving like a living skin. It can sweat. It can heal when cut. Absolutely, friend. The gap between science fiction and real life is really shrinking, more and more shrinking. What is this invention about? That living skin on robotic fingers? On 9th of June last year, a Japanese team of researchers led by Tokuyasu Shoji of the University of Japan, they declared that they have been able to implant human skin, living skin, on robotic fingers. The results, they have published that, as I was telling you in the beginning, that these robotic fingers with living skin can sweat just like our own fingers. They can cut, but heal. And they also possess subtle structures like skin repair, wrinkles, and repelling water. Almost all that goes on to make a human finger. Isn't it very fascinating? Now, friends, how was the invention made? What was the process that was adopted in the laboratory for this invention to make into a reality? Now, while crafting human tissues on these robotic fingers, they first submerged the robotic finger into a cylinder, into a mixture of what goes on to make the basic components of a living skin is collagen and fibroblasts. After following the protocols, slowly this living skin started to envelop the robotic finger, and they started having human attributes of a human finger. They sweated, they healed after being cut, and they had all those subtle structures of self-repair, repelling water, and others. But friend, on this invention, don't you think a number of questions have tumbled down, one after another? Now, just imagine, will this make the definition of connecting people different from now? Because are we connecting with a living skin or a robotic finger with a living skin? Or does this distinction make any difference at all? the definition of touch, person, contact, they're going to undergo a change. With this living skin on a robotic finger, will the robots be more welcoming, more efficient? Because indeed, a human touch is a way better than a metallic contact, isn't it, friends? Is it hastening our journey towards cyborgism? Are we slowly moving ahead in shaping as humanoid androids? A number of questions will tumble down. But I'm sure, friends, as always, these questions are being examined by the best brains, and I'm sure they will have the best answers, because humanity has always embraced change, embraced discoveries, embraced inventions. First with skepticism, then with confidence and aspiration for advancement of the human civilization. Let's see how it pans out. It will be interesting to watch. Hope you love this discussion. Thank you, friends, being with us and encouraging us every moment. We deeply appreciate it. See you soon, friends. Have a nice time. Thank you so much for giving your time.